So what we're doing today, Captain Darren?
We're gonna go look for some shell. We're gonna go fish these shell for these big trout that are out here right now. Fished yesterday, did pretty good. Released probably 10 over 24. So we're gonna go out here, we're gonna try to find some trout, some big trout, maybe some reds that tied on the rocks, tied on the shell, whatever we can find. We got low tide this winter, kind of throws the tide off, but we're gonna see what we can do. See if we can't find some fish. We're limited on where we can go, but we'll see. Should be a good day.
There's some up above adventures inshore fishing on this Haney right there. What size of a boat is this one?
That's a 25-foot Haney Magnum. We got a
25-foot Haney Magnum.
Yeah, we got a 400 on the back of it, so we're gonna be scooting across the bay.
I'm ready for war.
Ready for war.
And we got Skylar in the house.
We're gonna see if the fish are fishing this morning. That's what we're gonna do.
See if Skylar brought her good luck.
You bring you good luck.
We're gonna see.
Always.
Beautiful weather too.
Always.
Yeah.
Beautiful weather.